Human consciousness is not merely a passive observer of reality, is an active participant in shaping it. From quantum theory to cognitive science, evidence increasingly suggests that perception, intention, and belief may influence the fabric of what we call real. But what happens when consciousness evolves beyond its current bandwidth? Could we distort, bend, or even rewrite reality on a scale that's not just personal, but collectively comprehensible? The notion that consciousness exists as a field rather than a container is gaining traction. Panpsychism and integrated information theory propose that awareness may be a fundamental aspect of the universe, not merely a product of neural complexity. Quantum mechanics, particularly the observer effect, hints at a feedback loop between mind and matter, where observation itself alters outcomes. Meanwhile, predictive processing theory reveals that the brain doesn't passively receive reality, actively predicts it. This means our expectations and beliefs sculpt our sensory experience, subtly warping what we perceive as objective truth. Techniques for elevating consciousness, such as deep meditation, breathwork, and psychedelic exploration, have shown the ability to dissolve ego boundaries and reveal hyperdimensional awareness. Neuroplasticity supports the idea that conscious thought can reshape neural pathways, suggesting that reality itself may be malleable through sustained intention. On a collective scale, studies in social coherence and group meditation hint at the possibility of shared mental states influencing external conditions, such as reduced crime rates during mass meditation events. If consciousness can tune into higher dimensions, as proposed by string theory and M theory, then reality may be layered like radio frequencies accessible through altered states. Time distortion, observed in flow states and near-death experiences, suggests that time perception is elastic and possibly manipulable. Jungian synchronicity may be more than coincidence. It could be a sign of reality responding to consciousness in nonlinear symbolic ways. Imagine a future where humans learn to consciously manipulate the code of reality. Focused intention might produce microphysical changes supported by quantum observer effects. Group meditation could foster environmental coherence, as seen in data from the Global Consciousness Project. Lucid dreaming may offer alternate reality simulations grounded in REM state. Psychedelic exploration could unlock dimensional perception by suppressing the brain's default mode network. These techniques, though varied, all point toward the possibility that consciousness is not just a lens, it's a reality engine. This raises profound ethical questions. If reality can be warped, who decides what's real? Could this power be weaponized or commodified? Will consciousness elevation be organic and mystical, or engineered and monetized? As we approach the edge of comprehension, we must ask whether we are truly ready to perceive what lies beyond the veil. The elevation of human consciousness may not just be a spiritual journey, could be a dimensional migration. As we learn to navigate the deeper layers of perception, we may find that reality is not a static construct. but a living mirror, one that bends, warps, and reshapes itself in response to the minds that dare to look beyond.